Tressle is a popular real estate property management software, but before you commit to buying, there are 12 key things you need to know. Stick around to the end because we'll also share a better option you can try for free. First, Tressle stands out for its simple user interface, which makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. However, competitors like Buildium and Appfolio offer more customization options for experienced users. If you're looking for advanced configurations, Tressle might feel limiting. Next, Tressle's pricing is competitive for small to mid-sized property portfolios. But, as your business scales, costs can quickly add up due to additional features and higher tenant limits. Alternatives like Rentec Direct often provide better scalability for growing portfolios. The third thing to note is automation. Tressle includes basic automation like rent reminders and maintenance requests, which save time. However, some users report that these automations lack the depth found in competitors like Doorloop, which offer more robust workflows. Fourth, tenant communication tools are built into Tressle, making it easy to send updates and manage inquiries. But these tools lack the multi-channel capabilities of more advanced platforms, which let you integrate with SMS and email marketing tools. Next up, Tressle integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, which is great for managing finances. Still, it doesn't offer the comprehensive built-in accounting features you'll find in Appfolio, which could be a deciding factor if bookkeeping is a priority. Sixth, document management in Tressle is straightforward, allowing you to upload and organize lease agreements and tenant records. But platforms like Buildium provide stronger organizational tools with customizable folders and advanced search options. The seventh thing is customer support. Tressle offers email and chat support, but users often report slower response times compared to competitors like Rent Manager, which provides 24/7 assistance for urgent issues. Eighth, Tressle includes reporting features to track your portfolio's performance. However, the reports are more basic compared to what Appfolio or Propertyware offer, especially if you need detailed financial breakdowns or custom metrics. The ninth factor is mobile functionality. Tressle has a mobile app, but it's limited compared to alternatives like Tenant Cloud, which provide a more feature-rich mobile experience for property managers on the go. 10th, onboarding with Tressle is quick and easy for smaller portfolios, but larger property managers might find the setup process lacking the personalized training that Buildium offers for complex operations. Next, Tressle focuses on residential properties and doesn't support commercial property management as effectively as competitors like Yardi Breeze. If you manage mixed-use properties, this could be a deal breaker. Finally, while Tressle offers value for its price, it's not the most feature-packed solution on the market. Competitors like Appfolio and Buildium often provide a more complete tool set, albeit at a higher price point. So, is Tressle worth it? It's a good option for small to mid-sized portfolios looking for simplicity. But if you're after more features, better scalability, or advanced tools, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.